It's so fluffy.
Toys You Do It! I'm Ashley B.
And I'm Poppy.
Today we are going to be making fluffy slime. Yay!
Yay! The puppy!
Yeah. So here are the ingredients that we're going to be using. First we're going to be using glue. We have glue. We have baking soda. We have shaving cream, activator, water, and food coloring. And the balls to mix with, of course. This is the recipe to make fluffy slime. To make one batch of fluffy slime, you need 2 to 3 cups of glue, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 cups of water, 2 to 3 cups of shaving cream, 2 teaspoons of activator and food coloring.
And the push pop.
So these are the 3 ingredients that we're going to use first. First we're going to be using glue, baking soda, and then water. So first we need the glue. So right now my mom is putting in the glue, the baking soda, and the water. Stir, stir, stir. And here we're adding the shaving cream. It looks just like whipped cream. Mmm. Now I'm going to add the food coloring. Let's start mixing, and then it's going to be pink and pretty and perfect and how I wanted it.
That looks so cute.
Ooh, I love my slime color now.
I know your slime
Ooh.
color is going to turn out really fun.
Yes.
Because I like... Let me see. Oh, yeah, it
pink,
still smells.
Pink, 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 pink. So here I'm going to add more dye because I wanted it to look a little bit more darker how I wanted it. It depends on how you want it, light or dark. So now I'm going to add the activator. First I need to get a whole tablespoon of activator. Get a couple. I think that's enough. Now start mixing it up.
Mixing this.
Ooh, it looks so beautiful.
That looks... Ew, good. Messy.
Keep mixing. Now let's add the glitter. There. I think that's enough glitter. Glittery slime.
Glitter. I can see the glitter.
Yeah, that's
I think I can see that it's golden too.
Is it getting harder? Yeah, it's kind of turning into slime. I can tell by how it's getting kind of sticky on the edges.
I don't want to eat all of yours, but I have to eat all of mine.
So now this is how my slime is. It is almost turning into slime.
So I think her hands are gonna be pink like Pinklicious, but I don't really know that.
It's turning into slime.
But I think her hands are gonna be pink that is so.
Watch, start filling it, Mom. So I'm putting on lotion to like rub it because I don't want my hands to get very sticky, wicky. Ooh, feels so weird. I'm patting my slime.
Oh, before I touch my slime, then I need to put on that.
It's kind of getting into slime, but it's still kind of sticky.
Let me look at your hands, Ashley.
Ugh. They're turning pink. So I just put a little bit more baking soda and
Mommy,
it's
I'm done with
turning it to slime now. I really like how it feels. Like I'm squishing it with my hand. I'm like mixing it with this, like that, all sorts of ways. I like that. I like splatting it on the bowl. That's so funny. Sounds like it's farting. Wah! Jumpy slime. Jumpy Wumpy. You fat slime. Fat slime. Mix the fat slime with my hand. Mix my fat slime. Wee, 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 wee.
I'm gonna show you something cool I can do with them. So first, I'm going to, my mom's going to add the glue, and then next I'm gonna add the food coloring. Ew, what smells good?
I know it does.
Next, we are going to be adding some water. Next,
That one's gonna be for me if you make it.
this one's gonna be next. No?
Yeah, because that's my color, and I wanted that one. You can't have two because that color.
Actually, I don't want this one.
Why'd you get your colors if you didn't even want them?
Now I'm gonna mix.
That's ours.
I know you guys just need to mix it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Mix harder.
5 minutes really takes really long. I can never count it.
I can actually see the glitter.
I don't know what 5 minutes means. I know that's me. I don't know when to start mixing.
Oops.
I'm just gonna mix faster, faster, faster.
I never want to keep mixing. I never want to stop playing with my slime.
Mix, 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 and mix, and mix, and mix. Mix, mix, mix. I'm trying to mix it as best as I can. You touch it? No. I want to touch my sisters. I like how my sisters turned out.
Thumbs up this video. Make
Thumbs
sure you
up,
subscribe. And if we get 2,000 likes, I might do 2 giveaways in one day.
So, this video is not done yet because we just need to finish mine slime, and then when we're done, you guys are going to see when we're going to play with it for a little bit, and then our show's done.
Booyah!
You didn't say booyah. I didn't say booyah. You, it's looking yucky.
Oh, she did say that she was gonna give us pranks. You actually wet it.
And I was laughing a little.
Well, I love this slime whiny.
Oh, this is burgundy. This is burgundy
Oh,
pink.
that kind of looks like dark pink. I love
Oh
it.
yeah, it's burgundy.
But I like Frank.
It's called burgundy dark pink.
Dark burgundy pink.
There. Mine's gonna be a lot fluffy.
Just like mine. Yeah, I actually love mine.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna have a piece of my slime. I can't even rip it. There.
Oh my god.
Ugh.
I'm trying to remix. I just like smelling my slime like my slime's like getting yuckier. My slime's almost like my sister's, which is I think that's burgundy light pink, or I think it's burgundy purple.
Burgundy purple.
Come down in the comments which color you think it is. I think it is light purple, which is it's remixed by. Oh my god, there's still a couple of some glue on it.
Fat and chunky.
Oh my
So I'm
god.
gonna be so fat and chunky. Chunky baby.
I wanna add that. I wanna add some.
Oh yeah, it's turning into light purple.
Okay, so you just comment down below. So it is light purple, which
If
is,
you guessed light purple, you were right.
and if you guess light pink, you are wrong.
Yeah.
That's oh no. Wash it off my hair. You look like it. Oh my god, it's on your hair. I want to put some on me. look at it. You should look at yourself. Oh my god. Okay guys, it's almost the end of this video. So make sure you comment down below, subscribe. Subscribe, comment down below. Give it a thumbs up, and if you get a lot of likes, 100 likes, I will tell you you can get some of our slime videos. Thumbs up this video, and then if we get 300 likes, then 3 giveaways. Guys, look it, so stretchy, so weird. So this is how our slimes turned out in the end. This is my first one. I have blue, and my brother's first one is. I have light pink and dark purple, and I have dark pink. We like playing with our slimes because it's like it looks like a sand color, right? But like mine is. This one's so fluffy. It's so fluffy. Yes. Fluffy slime. And it still smells. I wonder when the smell's gonna be gone. Oh yeah, it does. I just like smelling it. I can even see the glitter of mine. Smell it. Goodbye, guys. I have a mustache. Bye. I hope you guys liked our video. Bye. And thank you for coming. Comment down below, please. Because I have a couple likes. So please like. Thank you guys. Bye.